What is going on, you guys? It's kzSquid. We're back with another vlog. Vlog number 2. We're out here riding. It is a gorgeous day. I have no idea what temperature it is. It feels like 70-ish. It feels so good though, man. It's almost chilly when you're at higher speed. But we're out here today. We got nitegromer behind us. He's chilling. And we're on our way to lot hunt right now because I remember this industrial area from where I grew up and around where I went to high school. So we're gonna go explore that and check it out. I always get waved from Harley guys. Everyone always says on Groms you don't get any waves from guys on big bikes, but everyone waves at me around here. I think it just is a state-to-state thing. We're healing up pretty good though. I almost can bend my finger. So I will update you guys when we get towards the area I'm looking for. Alright. We found the lot, boys. This is like a series of 10 buildings that just all have decent little lots like this. I might be able to do some slow first gear stuff if I just dump the clutch, but oh yeah, I can do some slow ones. Nice. I was in second. As you guys probably know, my finger is busted. We're middle finger clutching in, which is weird because then I only have 3 fingers on my grip. But we're still out here practicing because seat time is everything. And I will always say that. Aw, they're scared. Hi guys. You got 3 babies over there. They're pretty cute, man. Yeah, little babies. I got my technique back on my rollers. We just found like the mother load of lots. Probably over like 20, and they're all decent. And they're all private owned, so cops can only kick us out. Just sick. I mean, they're not perfect. Obviously, there's like a little bit of stuff everywhere, cracks, but I mean, it's a place to ride without being bothered. Just sick. Like a little whoop section. This spot is nice and flat right here though. This spot is nice actually. It's just kind of next to a main road. Yeah, I didn't even know these all were back here. I'm gonna try this one out over here. Trying to get a nice one, but he good? Yeah, he's good. What's up, guys? We're out here. We're on some back roads now. Just enjoying some weather. We're gonna make our way back to my house. And then I'm gonna get some lunch, because I'm starving. I was up till like 3:45 last night because it was my buddy's birthday. And I'll tell you what, I am dehydrated and tired. And hungry. All three, big three. These roads are amazing back here though. Some sunny, some shaded, nice twisties. It's nothing crazy, but better than the city riding. Alright guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Hopefully I got some good clips. We went and explored some cool stuff, found some new lots. Like, comment, and subscribe guys. Thanks for watching. kzSquid out. Peace.